It's not dandruff, it's a petal. Hey guys, what's up? What's up? Oh, I look ridiculous? Yes, do I care? No. Also, it's spring. Why not welcome spring with really dried out, flaky, you know, baby's breath. But anyways, I have a new collection from Colourpop that I'm super excited about. I have their beautiful new Sweet Talk palette. Look at this. Oh, she's so pretty. If you guys are interested in seeing the swatches I did for this palette, I will put that right here. And I will link my handle right underneath it. And this is actually on my Instagram. And I like to swatch all new palettes that I use on my channel and post them on my Instagram. And then they're from Instagram, they can come over to this video. From here, you can go over to my Instagram and check it out, a little bit more detail. I just have a lot of fun with these, and I really feel like it encompasses me, because I love photography, and I love flat lays, and my fingers are still filthy, so wow. So go check those out. Yeah, I'm eating. These are amazing. Not sponsored. It's got 2 pressed glitters, and it has a Super Shock formula, which is this one right here. And these colors are so, like, do they just inspire you? They inspired me. Where did I get the purple, you ask? I will let you know. I'm letting you know right now. Don't worry, I am not letting you down. I did get Late Bloomer and Big Ego, which are the 2 Jelly Mutt shadows that I was most drawn to. Why? Because they're purple. Because they're purple. Let me show you these in a swatch because, oh! Alright. First, there is Big Ego, and y'all are gonna die. You're gonna die. This is the most beautiful one I think I own. Okay, it doesn't have much of like a pigmented base, but it does have the most shimmer ever. Late Bloomer is this beautiful, rich, burgundy, purple, violet, and it has flecks of, looks like teal and like purple. It looks like it has a brown base. This is like, when I think of blueberries, I feel like this is a blueberry shade. Ugh. First off, look at my fingers. Oh, these are the most beautiful fingers I've ever seen. But also, here's the swatches. Oh, I can hear you guys squealing through the computer right now. Are you kidding me? I really kind of just went very editorial with this. I tried to use as much Colourpop stuff as possible. So I did throw in a Colourpop highlighter as well, and a Colourpop eyeliner, and a Colourpop mascara, you guessed it. So this one is called Flexitarian. Let me show you guys this, because this is the most ridiculous highlighter I own as well. I mean, Colourpop's amazing. Look at this. Oh, good lord! Alright, let's swatch her because she's gorgeous. Seriously? What is that? 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 It's beautiful. And then the eyeliner and the mascara that I used the Colourpop, look at my fingers, they're disgusting. I used the Colourpop Crybaby, whatever this is, and then I use the Colourpop Purple Prose Purple Lavender Beautiful Mascara because, yes. Oh, I didn't put prices. They're going to be in the description if you guys are wanting to see how much these are. They're very affordable. It's Colourpop, and the quality is high up there. High. But if you guys want to see this super wearable look and stuff, then just keep watching. Y'all, leave a comment below where you would actually wear this, honestly. Y'all, that pigmentation is amazing. Now we want this blown way, way out. So I am bringing this up really, really high and just diffusing the edges as I go. Now we're going to deepen up that outer corner with the darkest shade. Even though most of this will be covered up, it still gives you a small little gradient there, just to create a little bit more depth in those corners. And I'm doing the same thing to the bottom with this same color. So now I'm going in with Garden Date, and we're going to push this right here and right here, like that nice summery orange peach color. Now for the glitter, we're going to do Prima Drama. Yeah, this color is amazing. And we are putting this in kind of like a tear shape. I am not using glitter glue because it seems to stick really nicely to my actual skin. Like, I just put it there in the generalized shape and it's staying. Alright, let's go in with the Jelly Much shadows. I am going in with a Late Bloomer as the first color, and then Big Ego as the topper. Oh my. Get on my soul. Are you... Now we are going in with Big Ego. So I'm going to create a halo effect with this one and put it right there in the center. This one has this beautiful, really beautiful green, teal, gold with a lilac shift. Ugh! You guys, I am in love with an eyeshadow. Oh my gosh. Alright, so to make this more avant-garde and more ridiculous, I am going back in with Prima Drama, and I'm just going to make a little crescent shape on the top of my lid here. Just kind of pushing that into the crease with the edge of the brush. Try not to blend it, just halfway right there. That's it. Alright, now for the liner, you guys. I am doing this orange liner from NYX Vivid Brights, and then I am doing the outer wing with NYX Vivid Brights, and the orange color is Vivid Delight, and the violet one and the purple one is Vivid Violet. So I'm going to do orange, I'm going to stop about right here, and then I'm going to do purple, and then I'm just going to pat in a shimmer color for the transition shade. Alright, so now once this dries, I'm going to transition with Garden Date and just kind of pop that softly in between the two. Now I'm going to add this ridiculous lavender purple Prose mascara because yes. And then I'm going to add almost the same color eyeliner. It's just a light lavender color, and it's also from Colourpop. I'll let you know that in a minute because I don't have it next to me. The color is Crybaby, and it's just this really pretty lavender. Okay, let's move on to this blush. Ooh, she's pretty. No Vacancy. So let's see how much more ridiculous we can look. It's very easy to look more and more ridiculous. So don't do this at home unless you want to get super judgy stares. Ooh. Ooh, you are pink and pretty. Oh, I guess I should have done blush first before I did that glitter. It's okay. You live, you learn, and then you put glitter on last. I am going to add some freckles now, and I am just using for the freckles Wet n Wild Mega Glow, this stick bronzer in Call Me Maple. And I am actually just using a spoolie, and I am dipping it in here all over. As you can see, I've used this many times for freckles before. And just coating it with this, and I'm just gonna dab this all over my face. Before I add anything else, I'm just gonna spray some dewy setting mist on me so I look like fresh and, you know? Alright, we're gonna let this dry, and then we're gonna do highlighter, and then we're gonna do lips. I have a green tongue because I was eating candy. I am going in with Flexitarian because this is the most like wet highlight I own. It's absolutely beautiful, and I'm just going to be putting this on heavily, very heavily. Why am I always eating when I'm filming? Stop. Now for spring roll, and this is a cream formula. Look how beautiful this color is. Wow, my lips look really old. Oh, it's so pretty. All right, you guys, that is my look using the new spring collection from Colourpop. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you try and recreate this because I'm sorry, but also why? And that is all I have for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Ah, I just dropped my contour stick on my mirror and ah! Oh, it's not dandruff, it's petal. Do I look ridiculous? Yes. Do I care? No. Is this going up tonight? Most likely yes. It's got two pressed it matches. Not sponsored.